And after the post of Speaker, it appears the stage is set for a showdown for the post of Deputy Speaker. Top sources in the Indie bloc tell Times Now that Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav and Abhishek Banerjee of the TMC have held talks on the matter, and the Indie bloc is considered putting forward the name of the Faizabad MP, who also happens to be a Dalit face. However, the final decision will be taken after the government's response on the post of Deputy Speaker.
तो सर सदन में डिप्टी स्पीकर पद के लिए क्या आपकी पार्टी कोई
देखिए, जो अन्य दलों का फैसला होगा और अन्य दल अगर चाहते हैं कोई इस तरह का, और ये बात पहले भी कही गई कि डिप्टी स्पीकर विपक्ष को मिलना चाहिए, डिप्टी स्पीकर विपक्ष का हो।
डिप्टी स्पीकर पद के लिए आपको जो है अपने जी ने आगे किया है, क्या कहेंगे?
आने दीजिए, आपको बधाई देता हूँ, आपके प्रति आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ कि ऐसी सूचना आप दे रहे हो। आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल। सबसे पहले लड्डू आप ही खिलाएंगे। क्या है? अच्छा, जो भी हम होंगे रहेंगे तो आप एक भैया।
Let's talk more about the man who could be put forth by the India bloc as the Deputy Speaker candidate. So, who is Avdesh Prasad? Let's tell you more. So, Avdesh Prasad for Deputy Speaker. Let's just tell you more about him. He's the one who won the election from Faizabad, incumbent Lok Sabha MP from Faizabad, Uttar Pradesh. And the entire India bloc is reunited for his name as the Deputy Speaker. Incumbent Lok Sabha MP from Faizabad, Uttar Pradesh is Avdesh Prasad, defeated BJP's Lallu Singh by 54,000 plus votes, which was not even expected by the BJP. Ayodhya falls in his Lok Sabha constituency and won polls months after Mandir inauguration. All BJP could talk about was the Ram Mandir and what happened after the Lok Sabha elections when the result came out. Everyone saw that. One of SP's founding members, and he is a Dalit face too. Technically, he checks all the boxes. Former nine-time MLA from Milkipur, Ayodhya, who is now running for the Deputy Speaker face from the India bloc. So he's the Lok Sabha MP from Faizabad. He defeated BJP's Lallu Singh by almost 54,000 plus votes. Ayodhya falls in his Lok Sabha constituency. Now we really have to see what happens today when the parliament proceeds again. This is the second week. Last week we saw a lot of ruckus in both the houses of the parliament.
लोकतंत्र रक्षक सेनानी आइए, लोकतंत्र रक्षक सेनानी ये खड़े हमारे साथ, अवधेश जी, राजा अयोध्या। लोकतंत्र रक्षक सेनानी आइए, लोकतंत्र रक्षक सेनानी ये खड़े हमारे साथ, अवधेश जी, राजा अयोध्या।
The Congress rule states, if we talk about this, Deputy Speaker post goes to the opposition. Let's take you a little back in time. The opposition that today talks of a president of giving the post of Deputy Speaker to the opposition, a president that even the Congress hasn't followed in the past. When Nehru was the Prime Minister on multiple occasions, the Deputy Speaker was from the Congress itself. When Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister, S.V. Krishnamurti Rao of the Congress was the Deputy Speaker. Under Indira Gandhi, the Deputy Speaker's post was held by the Congress Party from 1966 to 1969. But will the NDA relinquish the position of Deputy Speaker to the opposition this time around as per the demand, or keep it to themselves like the Congress did many days ago? Times Now will keep a close track on this. So after storm over the Speaker, now it's time for the Deputy Speaker post. The India bloc is all set with Avdesh Kumar. They seem very united with that. But how is it going to happen? Times Now will keep a close track on that and will give you all the latest updates.